Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide photos on iPhone without deleting them, how to find hidden photos, and here is how it is done. First, let us go over how to hide photos. Here's how you do it. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Find the photo or photos you want to hide. You can select multiple photos by tapping Select in the top right corner and tapping each photo. Once you have selected the photos, tap the circle with the three dots inside button. Scroll down in the options and tap Hide. Confirm by tapping Hide Photo. And that's it. The photos you have selected are now hidden from your main library and placed in a separate folder called Hidden. Now, if you ever need to access your hidden photos, they are easy to find. Here's how. Open the Photos app. Tap Albums at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to the Utilities section and tap on Hidden. Here, you'll find all the photos you have hidden. If you ever want to unhide any photos, just open the photo, tap the three dots inside a circle button again, and select and hide. And that is everything you need to know about how to hide photos on iPhone without deleting them. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.